How you doing? Patrick Biello here for the weekend edition. So, Friday. Gold and silver got smashed on Friday. GLD and SLV got hit very, very hard. Um, Market closed at 14.78 for GLD and 25.95 for the SLV. There was a lot of sell-off. It was a big sell-off. Now, a lot of people, including myself, are saying that we kind of saw this happening. We knew that this was gonna happen. And looking at what happened to Cyprus, what happened in Cyprus when the banksters basically told the people of Cyprus that they're going to lose some of their money to bail the banksters, to bail their failed financial policies. It was a beginning of the trend, in my view. And over the week, Goldman Sachs also lowered their gold expectation price. Now, that's basically telling everybody sell gold, and that's what happened. Gold got hit on Friday. It was ironic because I know a couple of dealerships in my local area, and I went to two of them, and they had no physical bullion whatsoever. They said someone early came and wiped them out. I mean, they still had some numismatic stuff, but they didn't have any bullion. No silver eagles, no Canadian maple leaves. Yeah, no 1 ounce. They just, yeah. So it's kind of ironic that this happened, that there was a big sell-off off the paper gold and SLV. But at the same time, the physical demand was just as high. Why? Like we said before, the GLD and the SLV is facilitated by paper, not as much as the physical aspect of the demand. So the sell-offs on the paper made the long-term investor of SLV and GLD say, "Hey, wait a minute! I want to get into the action. You want to sell all that paper, gold, and SLV? Sure, go right ahead. I'll buy the physical." And that's exactly what happened. People that were waiting, the silver bugs and the gold bugs that were waiting to jump into the market at the right time to purchase physical, did so, or are doing so. Well, the markets are closed after 5 o'clock on Friday, but that doesn't stop the internet and dealers who actually have physical at the dealership for people to go in and people placing orders. So this is interesting. Is it a good time to buy physical if you're a long-term investor? Hell yes. I would say yeah. Now, saying that does not mean that it may go back up Monday or Tuesday. It may go back up $40. It may rise. It may go back up. I have no doubt of it. It will go back up. But at the same time, there may be another big hit that's in the coming. So right now, gold at 14.95. Will it see 1200? Will it see 1300? Will SLV go down to 22 before the end of the year? There's a great possibility that may happen. A great possibility. So if you're patient and you're wanting to get into the gold market, show a little constraint and let's see. It may be a good chance for you silver bugs and you long-time gold investors to be able to jump into the market at a prime time. And in my opinion, we may not see this low happen again. The way the irresponsible actions of the Federal Reserves that's happening right now, in my opinion, with all the money printing, we may not see this again. We may not see gold this low. First of all, gold shouldn't be this low to begin with. Gold should be $3,000 an ounce. Silver should be at least $50, $60. At least. But look what it's trading. $14.95. $25.95. It's ironic. In the same week this happened, on Friday, with the smackdown of the GLD and the SOV, Bitcoin, a currency that's backed by nothing. I mean, I'll have another video for regarding how I feel about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin that's backed by nothing, a currency that's backed by anything, was up $200, got plummeted this week. Plummeted. Because the speculation of what exactly is a Bitcoin, most people really don't know what Bitcoin is. And this is a video not to bash Bitcoin, but I'm just saying, it's just kind of ironic that a lot of people, a lot of the gold bugs and the silver bugs and people who are wondering where, you know, this new digital currency came out of nowhere and it's trading at $200-something, while you have silver, which is obviously being manipulated, you know, getting smacked around like it's nothing, to go to $26.95, and Bitcoin that comes out of nowhere goes skyrocket at $200 with no backing, no history, no nothing. But Bitcoin got plummeted this week also. Like I said, not to bash Bitcoin, but so is it a right time to get into GLD and SLV? If you are a long-time investor and you've been waiting for opportunity time to get in while it's low, yeah. Excuse me. Will it get a little bit lower? I do believe so. How much lower? I don't know. But I do believe this is not the last. This is not the last of the lows that we're going to see for this year, before summer. Now, mind you, I do believe that by the end of the year, silver and gold will be up. There's no doubt in my mind. Gold has a trend. Every end of the year, it goes back up. Now, this time, I have a feeling that when it goes up, it's going to go up substantially. SLV as well. I believe that end of the year, we're going to be trading. If we're not trading SLV by $40-something at the end of the year, I'm going to scream out manipulation all over the place. But anyway, so yeah, this is the weekend. This is the weekend report for Aurumex.com. You could follow us on Twitter at Aurumex77, and have a great weekend. Take care.